Today is Monday. I hate Mondays. I think it's a restroom. Whose pass can I get? Never mind, I got my pass.
Ew, mine's a ghetto.
Ghetto.
A lot happened at the movies, okay? If you want to know the story, DM me and I'll tell you.
Hopefully by now you're kind of finishing up.
Andrea. Hazel.
All right, so let's talk about the next one.
Maybe the school wasted millions of dollars to buy y'all electronic devices. Nearly wasted because y'all don't even use them.
Hey guys, so we're in the bus going to the strip club. Don't look at our jerseys. Yeah. Our vlog. Are you covering me? Yeah. Don't look at our shirts.
Why are you covering?
Because I said we're going to the strip club.
We don't look at our shirt?
Yeah, because I said we're going to the strip club.
Oh. Wait. Oh yeah. We're not wearing clothes. We're naked. We're wearing our lingerie. Right, this is my car follow.
Oh.
Mora!
Guys, you want to see my bestie's hair? You cannot put that in. I'm not going to put it in, bestie. I'll blur it out.
Yeah, we're like,
Oh, this is my other bestie.
okay.
We're getting food,
Something.
I think.
What last is that?
So guys, we're playing.
What?
Hey guys.
The formula, the volume
Guys,
of the phone will always be less
Guys,
smaller. The formula for the volume of the phone is. What is it? You know it by now.
F that. I got bored with my
1/3
life.
power square.
I wish I could move to a different planet.
You got 1 minute?
Guys, this is my bestie, Sophia. Say hi to her.
You got 1 minute?
Finally, she's doing a fucking school vlog.
Say hi to my.
You're in the school vlog. I really hope she posts a school vlog. She said she wasn't.
No, I'm gonna post this one because my life
Well,
is
the area of
boring.
base, by the height.
That hopefully. Hey guys, so today is St. Patrick's Day, and currently I have like 1,000 bruises from other people I got pinched from. Look, one. I got 2. I get abused, guys, and God. So today I am making a special slime video for y'all, and yeah. Let's get on to the video, and good night. So first I'm gonna be taking my glue and dipping it in here. Gotta pour it out. Oh, okay. She talking. What was that? I don't know what she said. Glue. I stole this from the classroom, so yeah. If there is any missing glue bottles, I'm sorry. If you go to my school, I dropped out. I don't go to school. Anyways, so we're gonna put this in here. Okay, whatever. So, how's y'all's day been? Honestly, bro, this whole week has been crazy. Like, I have no idea. Like, today, there was so many car crashes. Like, okay. Like, yeah. Anyways, so you're gonna just put it in there. And then after you do that, you're gonna put some water in here. Like, not a lot, but a little bit. So, I'll put water in here. Okay, so once you put half water in here in your glue bottle, you're gonna shake it up. Y'all ever make like baby's milk? And it's like, you have to do this? That's exactly what it sounds like. Anyways, you're gonna keep doing that. And I'm gonna pour half of it. Holy moly. So I poured half of the water just so like all the glue can come out, I guess. Now we're gonna take contact solution that I use to bowl. I never was able. Oh my god. Why am I glitching? So anyways, so I have contacts, but I don't use them because I don't know how to put them on. And I'm just not going to deal with that. I'm not going to waste my time trying to figure out how to put them on. Oh my god, why are they texting me? I want to be a mermaid. Okay, so you're gonna put some more of the contact solution. If you are my mom, you are not looking at this. Like, literally don't. Bro, what is this? What the forkadoodles? Hold up. Okay, so now that I have already got the solution, and I don't have Tide. I was looking for Tide. I couldn't find Tide. So there's no Tide. So anyways, I got the solution, and I was looking in my restroom, trying to look for if I had Tide in my restroom. There was no Tide. There was baking soda. Yeah, when I used to do my highlights with baking soda, that didn't end up well. This, I see a consistency. Oh my god, it's coming to get, oh hell no, there's some clumps in here. We're just gonna shake that off. Actually, so we don't have clumps. We're gonna take, so you're gonna take some water and some baking soda. So you're gonna put your baking soda in here. This ain't no baking soda. What the hell is this? You're gonna put that, and then you're gonna put some water. Why does that look like cocaine and water? What the forkadoodles? Look, y'all see that? There's a consistency going on. Hold up. How am I gonna mix this? You need to have a problem and solution. If you don't have a problem and solution, where are you gonna go in life? Honestly. So you're just gonna keep doing that. Mix it up. Make sure there's no clumps in the water. This don't bleach my shirt, right? I don't think so. Anyways, we're gonna put the solution, and then we're gonna mix it up. Besties, it's coming together. Oh my god. My 8-year-old self will be so proud of me right now. It's coming together. Ooh, I'm making slime. Y'all, it came together. Okay, so after you got the slime, so I made slime right now. You're gonna mix it up together in your hand. Holy moly, what is this? So I have got my slime already. Oh shoot. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that. And we got, this is a container, I did it. What in the ghetto? So then, I don't know what color. Comment down below what color we should use. Because right now it's white. And it's not giving that white color. Guys, it was St. Patrick's Day, and I have green on me. So I think we're going to go with the green. Actually, I don't like green. I like blue. Boy, shut up. Anyways, we're gonna put this dye in. This paint, I guess, is gonna look a little pink. Y'all, look at that. That looks cool. Holy moly. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we got our color in here now. We're just gonna put it in here. Let's see where this takes us. Ooh, it's giving us a little pink. So you're just gonna go in. Y'all, look at this. This is pretty. So we're gonna go in with this. Holy moly. Like that. Y'all, this is pretty. About to cry because I think the scene got deleted and I am literally about to cry. Anyways, so besties, look at that. That looks so pretty. Oh, let's not get it in my hair. Okay. Look at that, besties. Uh-oh. Cut the cameras. Hey guys, today is Thursday, March 17th, and it is 3 o'clock in the morning, devil's hours. See, 3 o'clock, and today I'm gonna be done. Okay, so look at that. I don't know, why is it, and all pink. Okay, so I just came back from school. And my package arrived in, and yeah, we're gonna open it up. It's from this hair place, and who is at my house? Hold up, look, let's go see who's at my house, guys. Okay, let's not look at my address because y'all need some stalkers. Anyways, let's not look at my These are, it's from called Lodge, and I have it right here. These are gummies to help out with your hair. They're natural. And then I also ordered a microfiber hair wrap. It's like to whenever you get out the shower and you, yeah, you know what I mean. And then I also ordered a new straightener because my other one, it's like, well, the other one, my mom stole it from me. So, yeah, anyways. The bus is literally so quiet. I have these socks. She's rushing and I'm really scared because I want these socks. But don't you ever hate whenever you are going shopping for someone else and then you're going to shopping for someone else and you find something that you like. Like, bro, it wasn't supposed to end that way. Anyways, I'm gonna throw a fit.
Look the other side of it.
Yo, Jenna hit his 30 with it. Do the greedy crap.
What's that?
Oh, yeah,
Oh, wait. Alright, isn't it like that? And it's like,
guys,
I don't know.
get out. Bop.
Hi, so this is vlog of YouTube. Yeah.
This guy in my vlog. I'll make sure y'all go subscribe.
Good morning. Today is Sunday and I'm posting the video today. I had dropped my straightener on me, so yeah. And stay tuned for next week's vlog because I have a lot of stuff coming up in my life and it's gonna be good. So a kisses for my 14 subscribers and the people who are stalking me. I can't talk right. So I'm going to the mall right now and that'll be for my next week's vlog, so stay tuned for that. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't actually comment, but yeah. Share. And I'll see y'all next week. Peace out. And stay tuned for next week's vlog. If you go to my school, no you don't. I dropped out again. So yeah. Peace out.